Hello and welcome to another video of Spares and Repairs. I'm Gino, and here today we have a Ford Focus Grand C-Max in for an oil change, pollen filter and front and rear wiper blades to be replaced. So let's get on with the video. Come on. Just like to say a quick thank you very much for people that are watching the videos and subscribing to the channel. Very much appreciate it. At 38 subscribers as I'm talking to you now. So let's get to that 40 mark and maybe 50. Thank you very much once again. These are the parts I'll be using today. So I've taken off the under tray now and showing you the underside of the engine. Now I'm going to drain the oil from this sump plug here, and the oil filter, which I'll get to later, is located at the front of the engine. So now I'm just going to go ahead and drain the oil. Oil is drained now. As you can see, it's dripping out of the sump now. I'm going to put the plug back in and tighten. Then give it a clean. Doing the oil filter now. I've got my claw and ratchet on the filter now. Just gonna undo it and then remove it. New oil filter has got some oil around the seal. Now I'm going to put it on to the engine. Put it on, hand tight. Then with some brake cleaner. Give it a spray. Clean up the old oil residue. And that's the oil change done, apart from putting new oil in. Now going to do the pollen filter, which is located just by the driver's front passenger footwell, up in the corner here, up there. So first of all, just going to remove this trim, which uncovers the fuse box and multi-plugs. Once that trim cover's been taken off, there's this cap here, and behind this cap is where the pollen filter is. So to do that, you come off quite easily. And what it is just these two clips at the bottom. Just pull them in, squeeze them in, and then the lid should just come off. Then the pollen filter should just pull out. Just like that. This is how it came out, with the airflow going into the car. So make sure it goes in the same way. pollen filter is back in and the lid is back on. Bit of a fight to get the lid back on, but we managed to get it on. And then the rear trims, the trim's back on as well, and that's the pollen filter replaced. That's the end of the video. The oil levels topped up, screen wash topped up, coolant's topped up, air in the tyres all topped up to the correct pressures, including the spare. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next one. Come on.